net now to take you live to X-11, where we join the Deep Space Vanguard on their next urgent assignment. The troopers need to protect the Federation interests and gather valuable seismic data for future battles against the bugs.
More refineries locations on the TAC map. These resources are vital to the war effort.
Adrenaline administered. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Refinery activated. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Resources ready. Refinery base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Doing good so far, no deaths. Looking good out here.
That's good.
Refinery is under attack. Resources ready. The base is under attack in the southern quadrant. Is under attack. The base is under warning. The Ark is under attack.
Activating ability.
The base is under attack in the eastern
I got him, keep going. I got him. I got him, keep going.
under attack. Adrenaline administered. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. The base attack in the western quadrant.
Changing mags.
Refinery activated. Adrenaline administered. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. The refinery is under attack. Refinery is under attack. Resources ready.
Coming to get you. Okay, come on, catch you back. Looking good, no deaths. Doing good out here.
Refinery is under attack. The Ark is under attack.
Got you guys.
Troopers, watch your step out there. We've been told reinforcements are limited for this engagement. Stay safe and Godspeed.
The Ark is under attack.
Loading fresh mag.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant. Warning. The Ark is under attack. Warning. The Ark is under attack. The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Changing mags.
Warning. The Ark is under attack. Refinery activated. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Under attack.
Delivering grenade.
You guys need some help at the refinery?
Resources ready.
Okay, yes. Have those done by now. We have to just get these last two
Attack in the southern
reports done.
The Ark is under attack.
Loading
You
fresh
went
mag.
ahead and rest yourself. Okay.
Warning. The Ark is under attack.
Alright, I'm gonna go get an ore done. We need to start cracking on this ore. This ore's not moving. It needs to start moving.
Refinery is under attack.
Hey, get stretch. Yeah, you definitely forward.
Yeah, I'm about to go help them with ore. This is got the
Resources ready.
issue. I forgot people back there. Yeah, no problem.
Under attack. Under attack. Quadrant.
Well, I got my own
We're
mag.
ticking.
Under attack.
And I'm almost out of ammo. Reloading.
Warning. The Ark is under attack.
this shit. Oh,
The base is under attack in
this.
the western quadrant.
Come on, Mr. Buggy, where are you? I got a nice Mr. Nuke for you.
Resources ready. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Yeah, run it on back. I'm with you. Go ahead.
I got your back. Nope.
The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Oh, hello. Nice try. Oh, hello.
Any engineers to help repair the base?
Here, have another one.
Prior to Brimstone 1, ore levels sufficient. Time to move on. Keep up the pace and get that arc online.
Yes, I'm in.
Intel has located gas refinery locations in your sector. The TAC map is updated. We need that resource to get the arc
Got
scanning.
lots of gun years.
Holy shit, guys.
The arc is under attack.
And got roll guard too.
Yep, got a royal.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
I'm trying. I'm using my drone.
Loading for
Yeah, like right on top of the damn bug pile. Oh, damn, why y'all down back here? Yeah, I don't usually use the drone. I don't trust the drone too much. I usually use my friggin' use a little dart. I like the little dart gun. That's my thing. I run dart gun.
The arc is under attack. The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Oh, it's out of here. Kind of push in.
Refinery is under attack.
Okay. Shoot. Oh, shit.
Cover me! Reloading!
The arc is under attack.
Fucking ammo in this joint.
Under attack in the northern.
Oh yeah, like
The arc is under attack.
Got some by me.
Engaging a villain!
Warning. The arc is under attack.
Refinery we're into. Yeah, that. You got that one? That's it.
Down up top, down up top.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
We need a few of us to go out into the open and take some of these targets out.
yeah, these guys are nice. Hey, like, how many bullets I need per buckshot?
Is under attack.
Got it.
The Ark is under attack.
Thank you. Alright.
The base
Here,
is
have a
under
nuke.
attack in the eastern quadrant. The Ark is under attack.
Got 3 grenadiers out there to the north.
And I just got murdered. Thank you.
Warning. The Ark is under
Medic's
attack.
working overtime.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm putting in the work. You damn right. Like, where am I? 35 revives? Yeah, I am.
Oh,
Hell yeah.
man. Keep it up. Alright, I had
Refinery
nothing
activated. The base is under
good. Time
attack.
for Mr. Nuke.
The Ark is under attack.
Don't worry, I'm fishing the doctor out here, my guy. Fishing the doctor, I got you. Got your best.
Okay. I just got...
Yeah, I hate when that shit throws you into the void.
Well, at least I blew a whole bunch
Yeah. Oh, okay, you didn't go in the void. I thought you went into the void. I fucking hate that shit.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay. Man, the other day I had a rocket. That shit took me out the game completely.
The actors are retarded amount of fucking guns.
The base
Man.
is under attack. Warning. The Ark is under attack.
It's like you almost need a nuke.
Just a whale ambush.
Yeah, we just stumbled on an ant earlier.
The Ark is under attack.
Yeah. Found your neighborhood and hill. Right on.
The Ark is under attack. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Get rid of some of these kids' bodies.
Lost Royal Guard. West End.
I got
Yeah.
Have the Mr. Nuke.
Royal Guard down.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Thank you. These guys are relentless.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah.
Refinery activated. The base is under attack.
Oh, hello.
Royal Guard, north end.
Under attack in the southern quadrant.
Okay, roger that.
You broke through, you broke in.
I see her. Yeah, I got a mute for her. Hey, it's on the ground. Ow, that hurt. And she's on me. You can burn.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
She's dead.
Royal Guard down.
Gas The base is under attack in the western quadrant.
Nuke down pretty good.
Grenade out!
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Refinery active.
Yep.
You stay off the camera.
First place ignited.
Loading fresh mag!
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Shit, I taught my best out here with 40 revives and whatnot. Ain't that something?
Got a tiger in the base.
Warning. Vital signs critical. The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant. Warning. The arc is under attack. Gas positive. Charlotte stabilized.
A lot of fucked up.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Gee, that's a lot of bugs.
Trying to get rid of the flame guy.
Oh, I hear they're nuisance.
Fuck. The blue guy
You guys
shot
need
right
help with-
at me right when I was trying to take out them fucking fire chopsticks.
Trauma stabilized.
You guys are hearing me.
The Ark is under attack.
There's some bodies for you.
Refinery activated. Under attack in the western quadrant. The Ark is under attack.
Don't res me. Let me die. I need to fucking respawn. My shit got fucked up.
The Ark is under attack.
Don't res me out here. Please do not res me.
One, things are not looking good down there. We can't keep throwing bodies at the problem. Get your head in the game and finish the mission.
Here we go.
How we doing on the line?
We're almost there. They're almost there. Almost there. Sorry guys, I have to change my build up. My shit got fucked up. Got my build back together now. Keep y'all alive again. There.
The Ark is under attack.
Delivering grenade!
Royal in the house.
The Ark is under attack. The Ark is under attack. Refinery activated. The base is under attack. The Ark is under attack. The Ark is under attack.
Will guard.
Yeah, I got it. Give me a full look.
Refinery is under attack.
Cover me! Reloading!
She did.
Under attack. Warning. The Ark is under attack.
Ability act!
Death imminent. Emergency medical attention required.
Thank you.
The base warning. The Ark is under attack.
And nice love boats.
Warning. The Ark is under attack. The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
That's me up at yellow. On my way.
Warning. The Ark is under
Oh,
attack.
you bum.
Be there in a few seconds. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
And like 2 other people are coming. Never mind. They got it. I'm laying at base.
Warning. The Ark is under attack. The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
The weed man! That should we make it up.
Warning. The Ark is under attack. Refinery activated. Warning. The Ark is under attack. Refinery is under attack. The base is under attack from eastern quadrant. The Ark is under attack.
Thank you.
Yep.
The Ark is under attack. The base is under attack in the southern quadrant.
Go, go, go. I got 'em.
Refinery activated.
Oh, nothing we can handle over here at the base.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Look down.
The Ark is under attack. The refinery is under attack.
Changing magazines!
The Ark is under attack.
Down up top.
The
Roger
base
that.
warning. The Ark is under attack.
Oh, I can't get you up there.
Damn, why you respawn? I'm about to get you up. I got a guy up top. I got him. Yep. That's how you fucking do
Build
it.
up the last of your defenses and get ready for that incoming
What we
horde.
end with so far?
Hey, we just gotta keep the base repaired as much as we can.
What the fuck you doing with my revives? How the hell I go from like 41 back to 21 revives? I'm just gonna act like that didn't happen. Took away a shit ton of my revive like they weren't shit. That's cool.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
If you revive somebody, man.
Well, that's some whole ass shit. Oh well. Oh, I've never known that. It's crazy. I'm sitting there like a good solid 50-something revives at this point then. I want to reset my revives.
Nick down. Get out my way. Damn bug.
Royal in the house.
Look at that.
The base is under attack in the western quadrant. The Ark is under attack.
Burn! That's where she is.
10 seconds
she's
until the arc is activated.
Nuisance.
Loading fresh mag.
Connection active with the arc. Ground wave from the arc stirred up some of the horde. Hostiles are en route to the arc now.
Thank you.
Oh no, we're expecting a horde.
Nothing we can handle.
Oh no, what a nightmare.
I don't know if I'm ready for this, boys.
Well,
Definitely not.
We can. Let's try our best.
Quit shooting.
Yeah, have a nuke. Ouch. And I just got even.
Arc is at 25% complete.
Thank you.
Activating the building.
How you guys doing on there? Good?
We're doing very good.
Suited up, doing things.
And you can cook. Look at the farm.
starting to breach the west end.
I got a nuke for me. Nuke down. Second nuke down. We're gonna need more ammo boxes up on the outside. We're down to 2.
He's dropping them. He's dropping them.
Okay, roger that.
Ay, 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 ay.
I'm done. I just
Whoa,
got
where's my
plasma
my body from outer space?
Oh shit, going into the void, I see.
Okay, that's 75%. We're almost there, Brimstone.
Changing magazines.
I got some for you.
Some naps, get up.
Got no ammo.
Changing magazine. Engaging ability.
We're done here.
Data collection has been completed. Pack it up, Brimstone 1, and prepare for extraction.
Link
Together,
up,
so we
link
can
up.
be together.
Right here, group up. Yep, right here.
Group
Say
up,
ammo.
get ready to fight through. Some ammo,
Drop
group
hella
up.
speed. Let's drop y'all speed.
That's what we do this.
Speed's
Get
right
up,
here.
get up, let's go.
Moving to the LZ, troopers.
Let's get moving.
Right, let's
Roger
plow.
that.
Let's go, let's go.
Break us in.
Nuke down.
Weed man, I got you. Shut up, weed man.
See all with this.
Tell me about it. Keep running forward. You go down, I'll pick you up. Just keep running. Everybody, away with everyone. Let's go. I see you back there. Just keep running. I get him up in peace. Still down.
Guys at the front, help on the back.
Yep, I got that guy. Yep, there you go. Keep on going. Get up. Let's go.
Go, go.
I got bomb. Fuck.
Good looking at. Is that everybody? I see nobody down so far. Looking good. Keep running. Come on, weed man. Let's go. It's just me and you back here. Well, this guy too is getting chased by the tigers. I call that the res, yeah. Alright, look, he got out of it. Okay, I see you.
Keep moving.
Hit him with the sauce.
Grenade going out. Keep going.
I'm on it.
Shoot, shoot. You gotta reload, run. If you're not reloaded, shoot, shoot.
Check your fire. Do I look like a bot?
Out of here.
Got a medic, good guy.
Yep, some old medic shit. You are on your own with the medic shit.
Changing mag.
Have double darts.
Changing magazines.
Watch your six, watch your six.
Using speeders. Rolling up there. and rolling, baby. Hell yeah. No deaths out here.
Looking good.
16 in, 16 out, by the looks of it.
Let's go, let's go. That's what I call teamwork.
16 in, 16 out.
Come on.
GG's, everyone.
Good game.
That was an impossible situation. We walked out of it.
Hey,
all 16
I told
was
you. You got a professional medic around, man. I told you. When you end up with.
Nice.
Real fucking heroes.
At least about Eddie fucking Heels.
Good game. We
My
put it
shit
up.
got fucking cut. Told you. Professional doctor around here, guys. I got you. You won't die on my behalf. Not when you're around me.